Oh, stuck in second gear again. This vehicle is a piece of, it won't even go into neutral. What the hell's going on here? Now you may think that we've given you a piece of something vehicle. However, that's actually just the design of the vehicle. So there are a few ways that you can avoid getting stuck in a gear before you become stationary. First lesson, try to avoid changing gears when you're stationary. Plan ahead. Second option you've got is rock the tuk-tuk like a baby. So if it's not going in, you rock it a little bit. Keep rocking. I've made it into neutral. Now you might have noticed the third tip there that I've just given away as I was doing that by accident. You can see me opening that throttle a little bit. So that kind of gets the chain moving a tiny bit and allows me to shift those gears a bit more easily. So that's number 3. As you're shifting those gears, open it up a little bit. The last thing you've done, you are completely stuck. You are stuck, you can't get it out, you're getting frustrated, your left wrist is extremely tired. Give up. Okay, after you give up, after you stall the vehicle, you've released that clutch, you can change the gear more easily than before. You might still have to rock a little bit, and of course, worst case scenario, you'll have to get out, rock it a little bit more. I'm in second gear here, but on some ground that's not really allowing me to rock too much, so I'm trying to get back into neutral then. I've got another method to help you actually shift gears, and it's opening this a little bit. I'm in neutral now. So easy, right? So this is what you can do if you get stuck in a gear without being able to get into neutral. Again, we get this complaint all the time. However, it's the nature of the beast, unfortunately. So I hope you can take something out of these tips.